Top 5 Luxury Motorhomes in 2026. Bugatti, Ferrari, Mercedes, and more. Imagine traveling across the country in a motorhome that feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. In 2026, luxury motorhomes have reached a completely new level. Some of them are inspired by supercar brands like Bugatti and Ferrari, while others focus on extreme comfort and futuristic technology. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 most incredible luxury motorhomes in 2026. These vehicles combine speed, design, and comfort in ways you probably never imagined. Let's start with number 5. At number 5, we have the Ferrari Stradale GT Cruiser motorhome. This motorhome takes inspiration from Ferrari's racing design. The exterior looks aggressive and futuristic, with aerodynamic curves, sharp LED lighting, and the iconic red sports car style. Inside, the motorhome feels like a luxury penthouse. It features Italian leather seating, large smart glass windows, and a modern digital dashboard. There's also a fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable sleeping area, and an advanced entertainment system. The powerful engine makes it one of the fastest luxury motorhomes on the road. It perfectly combines Ferrari performance with long-distance travel comfort. Now moving to number 4, the Mercedes-Benz Landjet Premier motorhome. Mercedes has always been known for luxury, and this motorhome takes that reputation even further. The Landjet features advanced AI driving assistance, huge panoramic windows, and a fully automated smart home system inside the vehicle. The interior includes massage seats, premium leather materials, and beautiful ambient lighting. There's a spacious living room, a king-size bed, and a luxury bathroom with modern fittings. Traveling in this motorhome feels more like staying in a luxury apartment than driving a vehicle. At number 3, we have the Brabus Big Boy motorhome. This giant motorhome is based on Mercedes engineering, but heavily upgraded by Brabus. It is designed for people who want extreme comfort while traveling. The Brabus Big Boy includes expandable slide-out sections that create a huge living space when parked. Inside, you'll find a massive living room, a king-size bedroom, a luxury bathroom with a rainfall shower, and a fully equipped kitchen. The interior design is modern, elegant, and packed with advanced technology. Next, at number 2, we have the incredible Volkner Performance S motorhome. This motorhome is famous for one unbelievable feature. It has a hidden garage underneath the vehicle where you can park a supercar such as a Bugatti. Yes, you can literally travel with your supercar inside your motorhome. The Volkner Performance S costs more than $2 million and includes a luxurious master bedroom, a stylish living room, a modern kitchen, and advanced solar power systems. Some versions even feature an extremely expensive high-end sound system that turns the entire motorhome into a moving entertainment lounge. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Bugatti Hyper-RV motorhome. This futuristic motorhome combines hypercar performance with the comfort of a luxury mansion. It features a powerful engine capable of producing around 1,800 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorhomes ever designed. Inside, the Bugatti Hyper-RV looks absolutely insane. There's a luxury master suite, a smart voice-controlled interior system, a retractable cinema screen, and even a spa-style marble bathroom. The kitchen and dining area are designed with premium materials and advanced technology. With a price tag of over $5 million, this motorhome represents the ultimate level of luxury road travel. So, those were the top 5 luxury motorhomes in 2026. From Ferrari-inspired designs to Bugatti-level performance, these vehicles show how incredible the future of travel is becoming. Now, I want to know your opinion. Which motorhome would you choose if money wasn't a problem? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more amazing luxury vehicle content.